When people think of waves, what do they think of? Well, they may think about this. Well, whatever sad attempt that is. But they also think of this. Although those are both fun, that's not what we're talking about today. Today we're talking about wave energy. Let's first discuss how wave energy is produced. Wave energy is created by the movement of the ocean surface. That energy can then be captured and used to generate electrical power. The three most common ways to harness wave energy are attenuators, overtopping systems, and point absorbers. The wave that I'll be talking about is point absorbers. And I know what you're thinking. Not this kind of absorbing.
I've got it! Patrick can't drown if there isn't any water. Well, you're safe now, Patrick.
That was my SpongeBob impression. Point absorbers work by using a buoy that floats above the water to generate power. That buoy is connected to a giant shaft that's anchored to the sea floor. As the buoy moves up and down with the waves, that power is then converted into energy. Yay! Point absorbers have enough energy to generate tons of houses. Not only that, but even a city. Wow. And I know what you're thinking. Now, Evan, what about the other ways to harness energy you were talking about? What about them? Well, actually, ours is better. So you can go. But you probably shouldn't go. The reason why we chose this method is because it's easily movable, has standard construction techniques, uses a renewable resource, can be put in the open ocean, does not depend on wave direction, and leaves a small foundation. However, there are a few cons to this method. For example, it has a very high construction cost. There's different amount of energy depending on how rough or calm the sea is. And ocean currents, weather, and storms can damage this device. After careful consideration, we decided that it would be best to settle on building our point absorber in coastal. In order to do this correctly, we would apply for water space from the California Water Board. We would file an application with the Division of Water Rights and pay all required fees. We would also provide sufficient information to allow the State Water Board to determine that there is water available for our proposed project. And that's all you need to know about point absorbers and what we intend to do with it. And remember, if you want to learn more about the ocean and wave energy, you can always go to the beach and start
Staring at the edge of the water.